Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Breaking tech news that's got everyone buzzing. Apple just dropped a bombshell with their latest watch Series 10. Now, we know what you're thinking. Another smartwatch, big deal? But trust us, folks at WatchWire News, this isn't just another iteration of the same old thing. The new Series 10 is packed with features that'll make you wonder how Apple has been missing them all these years. First off, let's talk about those sweet deals, because yes, it's available at a generous discount. That's right, for a limited time, you can get your hands on the latest Watch Series 10 at a price that's hard to beat. But don't worry, we're not here to just focus on the discounts. Although, let's be real, who doesn't love a good bargain? Now, when it comes to the actual watch itself, Apple has really upped their game this time around. The Series 10 boasts an all-new design that's sleeker and more stylish than ever before. Not only is it looking sharp on your wrist, but it also features some serious tech upgrades. For starters, the Series 10 comes equipped with a faster processor and improved battery life. That means you can enjoy your favorite fitness apps and listen to music all day long without worrying about your watch dying on you. And let's not forget about those health and wellness features. Apple's got some exciting new tools up its sleeve when it comes to monitoring your heart rate, tracking your exercise, and even detecting potential health risks. But what really sets the Series 10 apart is its integration with other Apple devices. If you're already rocking an iPhone or a Mac, you'll love how seamlessly this watch syncs with them. It's like having all your favorite tools right at your fingertips, and we mean that literally. At WatchWire News, we're always on the lookout for innovative tech that makes our lives easier and more enjoyable. And let me tell you, folks, the Apple Watch Series 10 delivers. So, if you're in the market for a new smartwatch or just want to treat yourself to something special, now's the time to check it out. Trust us, your wrist will thank you.